Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful flower. For this, you will need a square color sheet. Fold it diagonally. Like this. And then fold the tips to the top. Both the sides. And now open this into this line, fold it like this, and then open it inside like this. Press it down and push it down like this and fold it like this. And now fold this top down like this, and then fold this in half like this. Do the same on the other side. Open it, fold it, and then open it here, hold, press, fold it, and then fold in half again. Now you should have something like this. Now take it like this and roll it like this. Now we have finished making the petal, so let's stick it. Take your glue and then put some over here, and then stick it like this. You can fold it a bit over here. Don't make any marks, just over here like this. Hold it for some time and then do it like this. And there we have finished making the petal. You should make 4 more like this, and then we'll have to stick it together. Take one petal and put some glue in the corner like this. And then stick one petal like this. And now we'll stick the third one. Put some glue on the corners. Take a petal and stick it like that. You can press it or hold it for some time. That. And then take your glue again, put some glue on the corners, and then paste your 4th petal, hold it for some time, that, and now put some glue on both the sides like this and here. And then stick your last petal like this. Hold the flower in place for some time. That. Just hold it for some time to make sure that the glue is stuck. And there we have finished making the flower. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.